Hello everyone, welcome back to the Warzone. I'm Scruffy and this is Scruffy Tales. And in this video I will highlight the amazing fact that Ukraine is dominating the Black Sea, and I got dogs in the background, so there may or may not be some background noise. Moving on. Right, so what has been going on? Well, the British released a statement on the 25th of February 2024, and let's take a look what that says. At the outset of the war with Ukraine in February 2022, the Russian Navy, RFN, maintained their freedom to maneuver throughout the entirety of the Black Sea, most significantly in the northwest. And that would be right outside the coast of Ukraine. Following Ukraine's success in employing asymmetric alternatives to its lack of a traditional navy, various guided missiles, and uncrewed vessels, the RFN has been repeatedly forced to reassess its appetite for risk. Ukraine has continued to push Russian threat perception to new heights through combined strike activities on land and at sea, forcing the Black Sea Fleet (BSF) units to relocate their main operating areas to the eastern Black Sea. And it continues, the ongoing success of Ukrainian attacks has persistently forced the BSF onto the back foot, with recent events such as the sinking of the Tarantul 3 class Ivanovets and Ropucha class Caesar Kunikov leading to the dismissal of the second Black Sea Fleet commander since the war began. Despite Russia's continued ability to strike Ukraine using vessels in the relative safety of the eastern Black Sea, it is increasingly evident that the defensive posture adopted to mitigate against Ukraine's non-conventional approach to maritime warfare is not working as intended. And now this is just brilliant. Listen to this. At a strategic level, Ukraine's approach has denied Russia the ability to interfere with its maritime trade routes. Since the collapse of the Black Sea Grain Initiative, Ukraine's momentum has allowed it to dominate the Western Black Sea. This has resulted in an increase in its exports via the unilateral humanitarian corridor, delivering higher trade volumes than under the Black Sea Grain Initiative, putting them on par with pre-war levels. So, had Russia stayed in the Black Sea Grain Initiative and honored that commitment together with Ukraine, Ukraine would have made less money. Isn't that amazing? Brilliant idea, Russia. You really did, yeah, smart move. And also, I mean, since Ukraine is so effective in hitting Russian vessels, Russia can't intercept the grain vessels, can't hamper grain shipments, and it's just been a complete mess strategically for Russia. And take a look at this. According to Reuters, the Ukrainian military says that it has destroyed 25 Russian military vessels and ships and one submarine during the war to date. And last month, Ukrainian cruise missiles struck another large Russian landing warship in Crimea. And this was on the 14th of February that this article was written. So Russia is losing at sea against a navy, against a country that doesn't have a navy. And they're losing so badly that they are losing one ship after the other, while Ukraine is steadily increasing trade with the surrounding world, making even more money so that they can continue defending their country even more effectively. I mean, yeah, good job, Russia, I guess. Thank you for helping Ukraine. Uh, yeah, so, yeah, that's all I have for you. Incredible. Russia is getting their asses kicked at sea against a country that doesn't even have a navy. Uh, I don't know how often that happens, but it's currently happening. That's it. That's all I have for you, dogs included. I hope I'll see you in the next one. And as always, go på marsch, Ukraine, and sink those ships.